In this video, we're going to talk about some other angles, angles on parallel lines. You'll remember that when you have parallel lines, you know they're parallel because maybe they have an arrow on each end. Sometimes the arrows end up in here. And the first thing I want to talk about is the Z rule, or alternate equal angles. Now when I have parallel lines, these two angles are alternate. They're both inside the parallel lines, and they're on alternate sides or opposite sides of the transversal, and they're equal as long as the lines are parallel. You could see that if the lines were not parallel, and I draw a transversal, obviously this angle does not equal that angle. So it's a good way of proving that lines are not parallel. Okay, not parallel because the alternate angles aren't equal. Okay, another one of those is co-interior. I think that was the U rule. I don't remember. Maybe looked like that or something. So this angle here and this angle here, okay, are not equal. They're co-interior because co means they're on the same side of the transversal. So they're both on the right side here or above the transversal. And they're both in between, interior, in between the parallel lines. They add to 180. So they're not equal. They add up to 180. You can see they're not equal. This one's obtuse, that one's acute. They're obviously not equal. The last one was corresponding. Angles between parallel lines, and they look like this. One's here and one is here, and they are equal. Okay, they are equal. One's inside the parallel lines, in between, and one's outside the parallel lines, but they are on the same side of the transversal. Corresponding angles are equal. Okay, let's go on to the next thing I want to talk about. Where did I put it? Here we go. Exterior angle of a triangle. I just taught this in year 7, so I know you'll hopefully remember it. So when I have a triangle, if I extend each side of the triangle, I get these exterior angles. Like that one is an exterior angle of triangle ABC here. This one is also an exterior angle up here. Okay, ones that are outside. And it's true that, you know, this angle in here would add to that angle out here to 180. The sum of those two would be 180. And also, this angle and this angle and that angle add to 180. So it's true that the exterior angle is the sum of the two remote interior angles. So here's how it is. This exterior angle here at A adds up to this angle plus that angle. It's quite interesting. Okay. Sum of angles in a quadrilateral. Four-sided figure could be any four-sided figure, as long as the sides are straight, and I think I tried to draw them pretty straight. So the angle at A and the angle at B and the angle at C and the angle at D sum to 360 degrees. Great. Finally, a tricky parallel line problem. It says add a third parallel line to help find angle ABC, this angle here. Now, in year 7, the girls go, oh, well, it's just 180 minus 70 because these are on the same line. No, that's not how it works. So let's draw in right through this point at B. You might remember this from year 7 or 8. Another parallel line. And now I can say this angle and this angle are co-interior. So that, I'm sorry, are alternate. So that's 50, the Z rule. See it? And this angle here also has a Z rule, so that's 70. So the angle at ABC is equal to 50 plus 70, or 120 degrees. All right. Now, I have a worksheet for you, and then we might do some book work as well.